Hi everyone, welcome. And today we're at the research station in Quincy. That's FAMU Research Station. And here with us we have Dr. Legaspi, and she will tell us more about the push and pull technology in agriculture.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr.Jesusa Legaspi from U.S. Department of Agriculture Research Service. I'm a research entomologist, as well as adjunct faculty at the Florida A&M University. Um, I will talk a little bit about my work. Push-pull technology means we use plants, oils, um, plant products to push away the insect pests from your target crop, like vegetables or whatever your crop is. And at the same time, you are pulling in the pest, for example, whitefly or sweet potato whitefly, onto another plant, like what we call a trap crop or a trap plant. So that's the push-pull technology, where you could also use um, plants, oils, other chemicals to pull away the insect pests away from the target crop. So here in this, we call it top vented high tunnel. We grow vegetables, and we use the push-pull technology. So push-pull plants that we've been using are mustard, citronella, garlic society, for example, against tomato insect pests. And during the fall, when it's a little cooler, we will use mustard, um, some of the same plants, garlic society, because some of these are perennial plants, so you can reuse them. So, and that is against pests like aphids, against that are found in lettuce during the fall, winter months. At the same time, to complement that push-pull technology, we use companion planting, where we plant flowering plants, shown here. On the edge, we are planting here the companion plants, which are good plants that will attract the beneficials, like your pollinators. You can see here, the good bugs that feed on the bad bugs. So good bugs would be things like green lacewing, ladybugs. They feed on aphids, and for example, minute pirate bug. So these bugs are like these flowering plants because they feed on the nectar of, and as well as the pollen. So that keeps them very happy there, and then eventually they may move on to the target crop. For example, here we've got these pak choy, and right now, because it's having a lot of damage from the caterpillars, they put some dipel. It's a granular powder form that they put against the caterpillars that are attacking the pak choy. And some of these companion plants we have right next to it are the basil, African basil. We've got mostly other plants like citronella. We have lavender. So anything that are also aromatic plants are good companion plants. On this other side of the high tunnel, we've got squash, and we have Swiss chard here, which is used as for salads. And along here we have peppers, hot peppers, and you can see on the other side of the high tunnel are more companion plants here that again will attract the good bugs. So we've got lavender, citronella, basil, right next to the squash. And the problem with the squash is usually the squash bug. That's usually a problem, but it seems here it's not so much of a problem, but more of these like sooty mold and powdery mildew, which are more fungal fungal pests. So The good thing with having the companion plants as well as the push pull technology in your vegetable garden or your vegetable crop is that you are not using chemicals. We try to avoid the use of hazardous pesticides and use the good bugs to control the insect pest that is of concern to your target crop. So that's basically the push pull technology and companion planting. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Legaspi.
You're welcome.